This is a unique chicken recipe which is hot, spicy, sweet and crunchy. Welcome to my channel Tongue to Tummy. This is Sritika and I hope you will like the recipe. I took 15 pieces of chicken wings. To that I am adding half cup maida, 1/4 cup corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 egg and salt as per your taste. Combine everything well. At first I used a fork to do that, but later on I used my hands to mix that properly. Chicken wings will taste better, but you can prepare this dish with boneless bite-sized pieces. If you feel to add some water to make it easy for mixing, you can go for it. I have sprinkled some water and mixed all together well by hand. Next step is to heat enough oil to deep fry the chicken wings. When the oil will be hot enough, add the coated chicken to the oil one by one. Fry them for 12 minutes until all the sides of the chicken are crunchy, turning over in between. Take out the chicken and do the same process with the second batch as well. To make the chicken more crunchy, we need to double fry them. So I will fry the chicken once more for another 10 minutes until very crunchy. Next step is to make the sauce. So I have chopped 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and added it into 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry them until brown. Then goes into it half cup tomato ketchup, half cup red chili sauce, stir it for some time. Next in goes 2 teaspoons vinegar. Give it a stir once again. When the sauce gets to become thick, add half teaspoon chili powder and mix well again. Adding salt and mixing well. The sauce is sticky enough and has reduced in quantity, which is the perfect time to add the fried chicken wings. Mix well with the sauce. Saute until the sauce gets well coated with the chicken. Transfer to a serving plate. Sprinkle some sesame seeds to serve it hot. Definitely give it a try at home and comment your feedback in the description below. I'm sure you're going to love it. If you love watching my videos, like, share and subscribe my channel Tongue to Tummy. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Until then, bye.